Joshua Masereka okugamba bino bwabiragyo mjenyu mukuru aha mukoro gukura byahabeji barukwingana 2030 abatendekerwa mu kundi hangari yabo na Rashchete Patriotism ahishomero rya Rubona Secondary School.
Does a tribe stop me from doing something good? And for me, when I even go in the hospital, they begin asking me, which tribe should you put there? I tell them I'm right to Uganda.
Ogunagira mweshonga y'ingandire suraka bikinjo mu yangari ya Uganda obw'abantu bingi bari mu kutunguka abo kuremera hantaro z'enganda.
The Guard 3 commander, that is none other than Kengwazi Elizabeth, also in senior 2.
Even currently who are sleeping minus eating in the Munyangavu. With these fertile soils, with this rain, but people are still crying there is no food. That is sickness in the mind.
Mukuru w'ishomereri Ruth Namanya Kwesiga asimira bebembezo ba district abo kushagika Entebbe Kanaseji.
Our director of program,
love your country, serve it diligently, desist from crime. I hope the RDC, our guest of honor, will throw more light on crime prevention in this region.
Spirit, thank you. Are you seeing the light?
Omugandi eminyeto mu Ruhoyima erionesha aba government okutahemera meyanguhi okuhebwa omwanya gw'okukoreramu ebintu ebirikubandizibwaho omu itaka ry'amakorero g'eby'amajuta Jeteka Barega Industrial Park erikuza kuba mu buseruko mu district ya Hoima. Ebi byagamba Professor Gudura Basanza orukwembere ekigombe ekirikugiita eminyeto ekya Guide Leisure Farm kandi abana bakora eby'emikono.
Especially the light industries. We don't see why the youth from this place should not be the one owning the light industries. And we want now to lobby through the leaders of the district. Can we have a reservation that the light industries should belong to the youth?
Tukwenda kurora buli muruka gurumu ekyoma ekikola ebyokulya by'enkoko ekitukweta feed mill industry.
Professor Basanza nagira ngo kirikuija kubico buringaniza okureba eminyeto mu Ruhoyima erikusigareti no kweganyirwa mu majuta agubara kuza kutimba mu cyanga cyabo. Sylvia Narumaga ori umushiganisa w'ikigombe cyo mu Ruhoyima nawe hine byatugambira.
Kusaba abantu ba Mukama tusagike abazaire abekulembezi bona twimukiremu tusagika beminyeto bano. Uko tole buli muruka akiri gubayire n'ekyoma ekikukora ebyokulya bino ebyebisoro byona n'enkoko n'ente nakibyona.
What are you transporting on the roads? Are you just running around here and there? Let's have something we are doing. Let's use it to mobilize markets for our soap, for our rabbits, for all the other things we do.
Gashakwa Jonathan Tusingwiri na Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto.